Welcome to California Beach on the sunny island of Aruba. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more videos from this magical place. Today, we're on the beach for a 15-minute booty band, glute, and leg toning workout. All you need for this workout is a tight, high-resistance loop band. Place it right above your knees on your thighs, and let's start with some glute isolation exercises, kickbacks to lateral raises, and kickbacks isolated. 10 on each side, let's go. Kick back, feel the resistance. Kick sideways, feel the resistance. Get ready for the other side. Kickback works your glute muscles as well as the hamstrings, targeting that back side of your thighs, and sideways movement targets your side booty, giving you that hourglass shape. Lateral pulses, 10 on each side. Kickbacks only, 10 on each side. Moving into the main section of this workout, squat variations, we will start with the side step and a low squat, 10 on each side. Embrace the burn and step in the other direction. Squat low, bringing your hips to the ground. Weight in your heels. You should be able to even peel your toes off the ground, making sure the weight is in the back of your foot. Knees right above your ankles. Coming up is the back to front to back squat walk. Get low and start walking front and back. Step forward, step back. Halfway done, keep walking. Take a breather and we might as well just keep walking. This time side to side, working those abductors, those outside leg muscles, as well as side booty, also known as gluteus medius. Just 10 of those, we can do it. Excellent. One of the most challenging moves coming up, but we can do it. Weight in one leg and step in and out with the other one, all the while squatting low. Weight in the heels. Let's do it 10 on each side. Let's make sure the other side of our body is not jealous. Let's go for 10. Oh, we did it! Coming up are banded squats. Drive your knees out as you come down, then stay low, and 10 pulses. Just kidding, we can totally do 20. On the next movement, stay low and pulse. Almost there, get lower. Deep breath and take a look at what's ahead. Squat, hold, pretend you're sitting in a chair, and then sit and pull apart with your knees. Sit back and stay in that invisible chair for half a minute. Halfway there, wiggle your toes to make sure your weight is in your heels. This is the last squat variation, I promise. 20 pull-aparts. Let's go. Almost done, just 3 more. All of the next movements are on the ground. We will start with the laying kickbacks, another excellent glute isolation, then clamshells with a clamshell pulse, followed by glute bridge hip thrust to pull aparts, hip thrusts only, and pull aparts only, and then we will be done. At this point, it feels so nice to get into a horizontal position. Extend your leg away from your torso, engage that glute, pause at the top, really flexing. Switch to the other side. Get in a comfortable position on your side, cradling your head with your palm, feet together, knees pull apart. Keep going and prepare to pulse at the end of the last movement. 15 pulses, let's go. Flip to the other side and get ready to open and close that clamshell. Almost done, don't give up, pulse. Amazing! Now let's get down on your back into a glute bridge position. Drive your hips up, pushing through your heels, and then resist that band, driving your knees out. Breathe, just 8 more. Hip thrusts. Let's go. Let's finish strong with this brutal booty roaster. Stay high and pull your knees apart 30 times. This is the last move and you are halfway there. Give yourself praise for introducing this movement to your body. Deep breaths. Subscribe so we can train together again.